Alright, y'all, we're out here today hunting again. I went on a muzzleloader hunt today, the first day of the muzzleloader hunt. It's like 2:30 right now, I think. So I ain't gonna be able to. I'm only gonna be able to hunt the rest of this evening and tomorrow morning. So I ain't gonna have a whole lot of time to muzzleloader hunt, but we're going to. I don't know. I mean, the weather was actually like in the 50s this morning, but it's still warmed up to like upper 60s right now, so it's quite a bit warmer. But wind's blowing. Jumped one doe up coming in here, so yeah, I saw a group of hogs coming in. But anyways, we got quite a while till dark. Hopefully we'll see something. About to just get quiet, sit here for a while, and wait till dark. So I'll see y'all then. Alright, y'all, already walked up to him just to make sure he's dead, but I'm pretty happy with this deer. He's a nice little deer. 9-pointer. He's heavier than I thought he was. He ain't super heavy, but he's heavier than I thought he was. That's 2 deer down in the past like 2 days. Yes, sir. Come on. That is a nice deer. Okay, hold on. Let me get a better angle. Let me go get my tripod in a minute, but he's a lot heavier than I thought. Like, I don't want to say a lot, but you know. Nice little 9-pointer. You can't complain about that, really. Oh yeah, I'm proud. I'm happy with that. Hit him exactly where I thought too. I don't know what took him so long to die. I hit him right where you would want to. I don't know where it came out at. Yeah, I don't know if it did come out. Nuh-uh. No, it's probably no. Hold on. Oh wow, God, dog. That's why it took so long. That deer is quartering a lot more than I thought it was. Came out of his gut. I didn't think he was quartering that much. There he is. He's tight racked. He ain't very wide, but he's a pretty deer. He came in one time and he never really got in a wide open area, and I wasn't really thinking about shooting him. But I said to myself, like, he looked really good, and I said that if he came in a wide open area, like just gave me an easy shot, I'd probably do it. Just cause I don't know, he's a pretty good looking buck. And I mean, he came in with 2 other bucks at a 6-point and an 8-point, and he just gave me an easy shot, and I just said, and I got it on camera, so I shot him. But and I mean, he's really not a bad buck. He ain't wide. He's probably 13, 14 inches wide. But he got nice chocolate horns. He's probably 150, 160 pounds. He's not super big body. Just a 2-year-old, I think. But anyways, y'all, I gotta get this thing tagged, gutted, and I gotta go get the deer cart to get him out of here. So I hope y'all like this video. It sure has been a really nice couple of days deer hunting. I killed a doe Thursday. I killed today's Saturday, and I killed a buck. So we're done on this piece of public. The deer limit is 2 deer per person on this piece of land, and well, I done killed my 2, so we're going to the next as far as that goes. Which I did have some got some other spots I want to hunt, so it's nice to be tagged out. Not no old giant. I'm definitely happy with him though. Not a bad buck at all, especially for the south. Anyways, y'all, I hope y'all like this video. It sure was real fun to make. Was not expecting to kill a deer today at all. And hopefully this is his first buck of many for this year. And we're gonna definitely try to get on some more. Hopefully some even bigger ones. So y'all stay tuned for that. So far we're starting off the year strong with 2 deer down. And about to have to drag this thing a long ways out or go get the deer cart, but still it's gonna be hard. But it is what it is, that's part of it. So gonna get her gutted out and all that, and y'all just like, subscribe, and there will be more videos. So anyways, see y'all on the next one.